to celebrate for the opening of our U.S. headquarters in San Francisco.
Wow, what a journey it's been.
Welcome to the new U.S. headquarters in San Francisco!
I think what makes the companies really special is not just the buildings we're in, it's actually the people who sit in them. So you should look around. These are the people that you're spending 10, 11, 12-hour midnight days with.
It's so amazing to see everyone 100% all in, doing this for the mission and the future that we all believe in. I just feel I'm so fortunate to be working with you, and I'm looking forward in working together to build our new headquarters.
Everyone, welcome to our new U.S. headquarters in San Francisco.
Tremendous to be here on this 9th floor in San Francisco today, one of the most important cities on the planet, with the brand new VIPKid office. So congratulations VIPKid, congratulations everyone here, congratulations City.